Hey traders, welcome back. This is my week in review. Today is Sunday, August 18th, 2024. And there's not too much I've got to report going on, namely because a lot of my cash has been tied up in the stocks I do have. I've probably made a mistake and put too much of my account balance into one or two positions. I've got a lot on AMZ. I got some on NVDY, but I did a cash secured put on NVIDIA, and I was assigned those at a pretty high price. So right now my average cost is $129, and last week everything in the stock market just went way down, and it's starting to recover now, which is good. But I've been kind of like stuck. I actually got some of these shares on margin, so I'm using about $6,100 in margin there. So I really don't have any cash to make new trades. So I'm kind of waiting for the market to come up a little bit. It did come up enough. It came up to 116, and I was able to get some premium for NVIDIA. Let's see this call here. I was able to collect a good amount, $67 on this premium for doing a call. In the previous week, there really wasn't anything available. So that's looking up. Right now, the price is at 124. So if I actually didn't have a call going right now, I could do a trade. I could do a sell call, and I could go for next Friday, this coming Friday, at my cost, 129. And actually, I could make 151 in premium there at a delta of 30. So things are looking up. Hopefully the price keeps coming up, and I can make some good premium on this. And that's part of my strategy. I was for the past few months, I've been making a lot of little trades, too many trades on too many stocks, and a lot of them weren't high quality. And I kind of thought the NVIDIA would be a good choice as a good quality, solid stock to kind of do the wheel with and sell cash secured puts and covered calls. But then everything kind of crashed, so it's been kind of rough out there. Like this AMZ has gone way down. My cost is 22, and it's been stuck at around 19 for a while. Hopefully this comes up because it follows Amazon, which has been down lately. Let's go a month out. Yeah, it just dropped, and it's still waiting to recover. So once this starts to recover, hopefully the NAV for this AMZ will come back up. Similar with NVDY. This is the yield max on NVIDIA. My cost is $28.45, and this is starting to go up again. But the good thing is, I collect the dividends, and I just drip it in, and I just drip at a lower price. And so I pick up new shares at a lower price, and so that drops my average cost down. So I'm just going to keep holding on to these for a while, collect a premium, and see if I can at least get enough premium to cover the NAV erosion, which for this one is minus 730, and AMZY is minus 1878. So over time, hopefully I can collect enough premium to cover this, and just keep collecting premium after that, and then it'll just be income. But I'm keeping an eye on these because these are newer kind of products that got out there, and you never know what could happen if the NAV erosion could just keep happening. I might just duck out of these and put my money out to use elsewhere. Looking at AMZ on the YieldMax site, you can see the distributions. When I started, the premium was 97 cents per share, and then it went to 95, and then it went to 76, and the last time it's gone to 47, which is still really good in comparison to like normal stocks and stuff like that. But hopefully this will go back up into a higher amount. So for example, if I had 702 shares, and the dividend was 95, so times 0.95, I'd be making $666 a month. on that. But right now it's 47 cents, so 702 times 0.47 is 329. So I'll take it, but I wish it was higher up. I might have to change strategies here because I do want to get a good return for these. Let's look at NVDY. So NVDY was like last few months. I didn't have the stock until now. This is my first iteration of this, but man, 2.56, 2.47. Right now it's at 1.25. That's to me that's good. But man, if it could come back up and they sell enough covered calls and generate enough income to distribute that amount, I'll keep buying this. So I've got 200 shares of NVDY. 221 now because of the shares I bought with drip. So if it's 221 and times 2.5, that would be a $552 premium if it was like that, but instead it's 1.25. So 221 times 1.25. Is that right? Yeah. It's 276. So I'll keep an eye on these guys and see what they do, and maybe just keep acquiring shares, and maybe the NAV will come up. I'm starting to look at these XDTE and QDTE shares. I bought one share to see how it works. These are round hill ETFs. And they're similar to the Yield Max. I'm not going to go into too much about how they work. I might make a video on that, but I might start investing in these too. But that's about it. There's not a lot going on as far as trades this week. And here's my dividends from AMZY and NVDY. I don't have my other dividends in there yet, but that puts with the premiums, which is pretty paltry, puts me up to 675 so far this month. My goal is to make $1,000 a month of income from this portfolio. So hopefully this next week, when my NVDY expires, or when my NVDA expires, like I said, I can do it'll be up and I can collect more premium for that, push myself over $1,000 a month. I hope that helps. Hopefully I'll have some better results in the next few weeks, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.